Hey guys, Savvy Tech Girl here. I just want to talk really quickly about when you're setting up Windows 10 and Windows tries to force you into using a Microsoft account. So the quick trick is make sure you're not connected to Wi-Fi, or if you are connected to a cable, cat cable, disconnect it. Once you disconnect it, you will be able to set up as a local account, and then once you set up as a local account, you can connect back to either Wi-Fi or Ethernet through the cable, and you'll be ready to go with a local account on Windows 10.